In our last video, we talked about 8 things you can do to prevent the spread of COVID-19 in your shop. What are 8 more things you can do? We're going to find out next. As vaccination opportunities increase and mask mandates are loosened or lifted around the country, it's important to remain proactive to protect your employees as well as your customers. Here are additional elements recommended by OSHA to ensure a successful health and safety program as it relates to COVID-19. Number 1, isolate workers who show symptoms at work. Number 2, clean and disinfect after people with suspected or confirmed COVID-19 have been in your facility. Number 3, provide guidance on screening and testing. Look to your state or local health department regarding screening and testing in workplaces. They may be able to help you arrange regular testing. Number 4, record and report COVID-19 infections and deaths. As required, report outbreaks to your local health department to help with contact tracing in your community. Number 5, establish protections from retaliation and consider an anonymous reporting process. The OSHA Act prohibits discharging an employee or discriminating against them for reporting concerns about the workplace. Do your employees know who to contact with concerns or questions? They should feel empowered to speak out about health and safety. Number 6, make a COVID-19 vaccine or vaccination series available at no cost to all eligible employees. Number 7, don't distinguish between workers who are vaccinated and those who are not vaccinated. Because a person can have COVID and be asymptomatic, they may still be able to transmit the virus, even to those who are vaccinated. Therefore, continue to follow CDC guidelines as well as those in your city or state regarding safe workplace behaviors. Number 8, keep other OSHA standards in place. Now is not the time to let down your guard about hazard communication, respiratory protection, bloodborne pathogens and infection control, and other ways you operate to protect workers and keep your business up and running. This content was based on an article that SP2 wrote for BodyShop Business. For more training guidance from SP2, visit sp2.org. I'm Jason Stahl. Thanks for watching.